Tonight, we are not merely marking the passage of time, but celebrating a vision, one that has empowered generations, fostered inclusivity, and driven innovation.
This evening marks a monumental milestone, not just in the life of the Sacco, but in the broader trajectory of Kenya's cooperative movement.
That has stood as a pillar of socio-economic empowerment in the country for years.
Let us continue to make happy families. Let us continue to impact the communities where we come from through the Sacco movement.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy that I'm part of you celebrating 50 years, and I will wish you all the prosperity in the next 50 years to celebrate 100 years. Mungu awabariki, asanteni sana.
My name is Dr. Gamaliel Hassan Alukoya Nyanzwa. I am the CEO at Stima Sacco. I am here and I'm having a discussion with pioneers who came before I was even born and who have, over the years, through many generations, they have handled this company to me. So for me, it's a very humbling experience to look at an institution that has come of age up to 50 years right now, with an asset base of almost 62 billion shillings, being the second largest Sacco in Africa. It's very, very humbling.
Thank you very much. Our journey thus far has been one of growth, resilience, and transformation. We have weathered many storms, including economic downturns, regulatory shifts, and technological revolutions. But through it all, Stima Sacco has remained strong, adaptable, and forward-thinking. As we embark on the next chapter of our journey, we are guided by a roadmap built on 3 essential foundations. That is innovation, member centricity, and sustainability. Our digital transformation isn't just about keeping up with technology, it's about creating a seamless, personalized experience that reaches every corner of the world. We are committed to making sure your financial journey is smooth, efficient, and secure. You, our members, have always been the soul of Stima Sacco. We are dedicated to ensuring that Stima Sacco remains your trusted partner, not just a service provider, empowering you for life to reach your financial goals. Thank you very much.
Continuing to thrive for many generations to come, empowering members for life. Thank you much.
Today we are celebrating 50 years since Stima Sacco came into operation. And the significance of this day is still to look at the very small beginnings. But the main thing that will always be, or that will always inform the growth of the Sacco, are the same values that the Sacco has had since the beginning. That is the issue of trust, the issue of integrity, and the issue of commitment. And that is what has kept all the members glued together. That even today, as we are celebrating this day, we have members who was the first manager of the Sacco, was here to celebrate with us. And that is 50 years. I don't know where else you can find people who have been glued together for that period of time. 50 years is more than just a measurement of time. It is the culmination of a vision realized through shared commitment, sacrifice, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. What began as a small cooperative driven by a shared commitment to uplift each other financially has blossomed into a robust institution that has touched and transformed the lives of countless members, their families, and communities. From these humble beginnings, we have grown into one of the leading financial cooperatives in Kenya. Let me emphasize that. One of the leading. But I think soon, Bwana CEO, it will not be one of the leading. But I think we are going to be saying the leading, not only in Kenya, but also in Africa. The global financial environment has undergone significant disruptions in recent years. Amidst these dynamics, Stima Sacco has not only survived, but thrived, proving that our cooperative model is resilient and adaptable. The heart of our Sacco will always be its people. So whatever technologies we deploy, the focus will not be technology as an end, but it will be more to do with the people who are members of the Sacco. Let us raise our sights even higher as we embark on the next chapter of this incredible journey. Thank you.
Wow. Thriving not just for us, but for future generations, at the heart of the Sacco.
50 years is quite a journey. CEO, I turned 50 next year. And I already know that journey has been quite a bit. But for 50 years, Stima Sacco has continued to serve and impact people's lives. Every generation has a responsibility to define that generation's challenge. And this generation too has to define what is the challenge of this generation and also define solutions for that particular challenge. If our challenge is shared prosperity, if our challenge is climate change, if our challenge is inclusivity, what is Stima Sacco doing about it? I want to challenge the board of Stima Sacco. Give me a story to give. Give us a good story. It is about making impacts, support advocacy in the movement, make provisions so that you are counted when the big discussions are being held in this country.
This event seems to me as a reunion of sorts. It evokes nostalgic memories, personal to me, yes, but more importantly, it gratifies me to join you here this evening to commemorate Stima Sacco's Golden Jubilee. Having had the honor to serve as a board member and a chair of Stima Sacco at some point in my life, I have witnessed firsthand the tremendous growth and impact this institution has had on its members. As we look to the next 50 years, lessons from the past abound. It is through the power of unity, shared vision, and trust that humanity builds sustainable futures. I wish Stima Sacco a future where the benefits to its members will always translate in improved quality of life of its members and the communities around them.
As I came to the ministry, my first thing was to acquaint myself what were the problems in the cooperative movement at large. I have been in Mombasa, I've been in Nyeri, I've been in Murang'a, I've been in Kwale, I've been in Western. And the first thing that I saw in most of the SACCOs and other cooperatives is governance. Governance is a major problem. Stima Sacco, you are lucky. You are one of the best managed SACCO in this country. Mungu awabariki, asanteni sana.
there you have it, 50 years of empowering lives. Asante sana.
For the prosperity of Stima Sacco. 50 years we toast. Yeah. 50 years. 50 years. My colleague in accountancy.
Tumeona mkono wake Bwana.
So my name is Victoria Wangeshi. I'm actually the relationship manager from Safaricom, and I am so honored and humbled to be attending the 50th anniversary for Stima Sacco. You guys are doing an amazing job. I am super humbled that I'm part of this amazing family.
I've met very many old friends, retired, and the ones who are serving, and nostalgic looking at the journey that we have come back, and how far, and looking at the future. So it was very good taking time to celebrate and also honor people who have, along the path, brought this institution to the great place it is today.
We are privileged to be here today because it is a privilege to be here in 50 years. And the greatest thing that we recall today is our brothers and sisters who formed Stima Sacco in 1974.
Happy 50th birthday, Stima Sacco, and thank you very much for being the preferred financial partner to myself and to my family and to my friends at large.
In the next 10 years, I see Stima Sacco going to very great heights from starting today.
And well done, Stima Sacco and the entire leadership team. You have demonstrated what it means to really have very good governance and what it means to have very strategic direction. And I wish you well.
So, to the 217,000 members, my message is this. This is your Sacco. We are here to serve you. And the most important thing for us is to continue to be relevant to you. We have strived to be relevant in the last 50 years. We will continue being relevant in the next 50 years. We will continue to understand your needs better. We'll continue to address your needs better. And we'll continue to be the Sacco of choice for you for the next 50 years to come. So Stima Sacco, Sacco yangu, maisha yangu.